For a really long time cosmologists have been investigating objects past our own sunlight-based framework, and right when it appeared to be simply all trust was lost, amazing occasions occurred. This was what was going on, in which these stargazers wound up after years of fruitless looking through something unforeseen happened. Two items showed up at the same time. Researchers and space experts from one side of the planet to the other, counting those from SII and NASA, became associated with the investigation of these puzzling guests. What could they gain from them? Where did they come from? Furthermore, what could we at any point expect the appearance of the following one? The main item to arise from the vacuum of room was scarcely noticeable from a observatory telescope. It still up in the air to have started from Vega, an outsider star 147 trillion miles away, and was going through space at a speed of 57,000 miles per hour. Furthermore, had a lengthened stogie formed and was a Th000m long, an aspect that is not commonly huge for a comet or space rock. There is hypothesis that may have framed in a shuttle light plate. Also, as it passed near our sun, it made a sharp turn and advanced in another course. The way of behaving and movement of these articles are profoundly surprising for space rocks or comets, similarly as cosmologists were starting to recuperate from the shock. Furthermore, turmoil brought about by the appearance of the primary surprising guest. Another occasion happened. Another seemed J. Borisov, a novice engineer. What's more, novice cosmologist noticed a moving object in the pre-first light sky from his individual observatory in Korea. Utilizing a telescope he assembled himself, he was capable to quickly see the uniqueness of this article. It was moving toward a path inverse to that of comet ordinarily viewed as in the fundamental space rock belt encompassing the sun. The question emerges whether these interstellar guests have a beginning or are counterfeit in nature. To answer this, it will be important to go to their area for additional examination. The first interstellar Voyager came from the Vega star framework. Also was named Hawaii, meaning adventurer. Vega, otherwise called the future North Star, is a splendid star found just 25 light years from Earth, noticeable in the northern side of the equator summer sky because of the wobble of the Earth hub over a time of 26,000 years. Our impression of the north shaft progressively moves to various stars. Vega was a post-star numerous millennia ago. Furthermore, we'll get back to that situation in around 12,000 years. In early 2013, cosmologists found a space rock belt around Vega, proposing the conceivable presence of extraterrestrial planets. Among the stones tracked down in this belt, one specifically stood apart, the supposed Al Muammua. NASA had just 11 days to see this item, which moved at its speed multiple times quicker than the Earth circle around the sun. After that short period, it was no longer noticeable in light of the fact that it was as well little and a claim to be seen. This article entered our nearby planet group and later, passing near the Earth unexpectedly, advanced rapidly out of our nearby planet group in a unique heading. As we followed OMA's direction, we anticipated that its administration should be exaggerated with just the gravitational force following up on it. Anyway, this was not the situation, as it appeared to encounter extra speed increase, as though something different was applying tension notwithstanding gravity. When it was detected, this stogie-formed object had proactively passed near our sun, making a sharp turn and starting to advance in an alternate bearing. Researchers were particularly interested by two angles: the baffling speed increase away from the sun and its particular shape in the years that followed. Logical distributions and the media were loaded with theory notwithstanding NASA's work to classify it as an space rock and afterward as a comet. Anyway, it stayed hazy precisely what it was. A bill a Harvard stargazer recommended that it very well may be a fake design, made by an insight. At last somebody had the mental fortitude to state what everybody was thinking as attested our comprehension of physical science and confused everybody in the wake of arriving at its nearest highlight, the sun. The article started to leave our nearby planet group at an phenomenal speed, guaranteeing it escape from the gravity of our sun-powered star. This conduct more run-of-the-mill of a comet was uncommonly smooth and consistent for such a quick article, making it profoundly improbable that it was an unpleasant and sporadic comet. During the time spent outgassing on October 7, 2017, the item was going towards the group of stars Pegasus on a course to an obscure init ion. With the innovation accessible at the time, it was unthinkable to catch a picture of Oumuamua in closeness, so hand-gathered information are all we have anyway. All the curious qualities of this item propose a conceivable chance it very well may be an extraterrestrial make, furnished with a light cell. Truth be told, a fake beginning would obviously make sense of these peculiarities. At first delegated a comet, the object renamed as a space rock. Later perceptions neglected to uncover a fluffy unconsciousness. The disclosure of Oumuamua was an irregularity, as our nearby planet group doesn't produce garbage like this. Utilizing the Green Bank Telescope in West Virginia and the Island Telescope in Northern California, stargazers have been tuning in for any potential signals, yet the article has stayed quiet up to this point. Now, on the other hand, Bysoft ended up being fundamentally straightforward than his grandiose friend. It has been affirmed as the first interstellar comet made out of a combination of water residue and carbon dioxide like that tracked down in the outskirts of the sun-oriented framework. It had a noticeable tail and crushed what researchers had anticipated anyway. War Ison won. The riddle appears to be much more abnormal. It is accepted to have begun in an old sun-oriented framework spinning around a red DF star, the slightest and most normal kind of star in our universe. In light of its speed and direction, and global group has guessed that it might have started close to the white Bantam Ross 573, situated about 629 trillion km from the sun. Their hypothesis is that it was catapulted into space about quite a while back, following the brutal impact of three enormous items in the heavenly area. Some hypothesize that, assuming they were Cecil, they may be Spiner, with cutting-edge rocket proficient of remaining unnoticed without really having to try. However, who can say? Without a doubt, on the off chance that you like the video, don't neglect to like, buy, and share so it contacts more individuals, and turn on the notice chime. Much thanks for watching the video, and I'll be seeing you in the following one. For decades, astronomers have tirelessly explored celestial objects beyond our solar system. Just when hope seemed dim, unexpected events unfolded, thrusting astronomers into a whirlwind of excitement and inquiry. Two enigmatic entities suddenly appeared, captivating scientists worldwide, including those from esteemed institutions like SII and NASA. Questions abound. What secrets do they hold? From whence do they hail? And what awaits with the arrival of the next cosmic traveler? The first visitor emerged stealthily from the vast expanse, barely perceptible through observatory lenses. Originating from Vega, a distant alien star 147 trillion miles away, it hurtled through space at a staggering 57,000 miles per hour. Its elongated, cigar-shaped form defied conventional norms for comets or asteroids, sparking speculation of an engineered origin, perhaps birthed within a spacecraft's confines. Meanwhile, as astronomers grappled with this revelation, another celestial anomaly made its presence known. J. Borisov, a diligent amateur astronomer, spotted a peculiar object traversing the pre-dawn sky from his modest observatory. Moving counter to typical comet trajectories, this newcomer puzzled observers with its unconventional behavior. The mysteries deepened as scientists contemplated the origins and intentions of these interstellar travelers. The first, dubbed Hawaii, hailed from Vega, known as the future North Star, a mere 25 light-years distant. Vega's recent discovery of an asteroid belt hinted at potential extraterrestrial planets, including the intriguing Oumuamua. This cosmic nomad, propelled by inexplicable forces, defied easy classification, prompting speculation of artificial origins. As Oumuamua departed our solar system at breakneck speed, leaving baffled scientists in its wake, another visitor, Borisov 1, offered a more familiar yet equally perplexing composition, an interstellar comet of water, dust, and carbon dioxide. Yet, amidst the intrigue, questions lingered. Could these enigmatic travelers be emissaries of advanced civilizations? Or are they simply cosmic wanderers, shaped by the whims of interstellar chaos? As we ponder these cosmic riddles, one thing remains clear. The universe holds secrets beyond our wildest imaginings, waiting to be uncovered by intrepid explorers of the cosmos. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to spread the wonder of the cosmos. And remember to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our cosmic adventures. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, keep gazing at the stars. For decades, astronomers have dedicated themselves to the exploration of celestial objects beyond the boundaries of our solar system. Their tireless efforts have been driven by an insatiable curiosity to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. However, just when it seemed that the depths of space had revealed all of their secrets, a series of unexpected events unfolded, reigniting the fervor of discovery among astronomers worldwide. Imagine the scene. Astronomers, after years of diligent searching, found themselves on the brink of despair as their efforts to uncover new cosmic phenomena appeared futile. Yet, in a twist of fate, hope was reignited by the sudden appearance of two enigmatic objects, whose arrival defied all expectations and ignited a global scientific endeavor. The first of these cosmic wanderers emerged stealthily from the vast expanse of space, its presence initially barely perceptible through the lenses of observatories. This celestial traveler, originating from Vega, a distant alien star located a staggering 147 trillion miles away, hurtled through space at an astonishing speed of 57,000 miles per hour. Its elongated, cigar-shaped form defied conventional classification, prompting speculation among scientists that it may have originated within the confines of a spacecraft. Meanwhile, as astronomers grappled with the implications of this unexpected visitor, another celestial anomaly made its presence known. Borisov, an amateur astronomer with a keen eye for the heavens, observed a peculiar object traversing the pre-dawn sky from his modest observatory. Unlike typical comets, this cosmic newcomer moved in a direction opposite to the norm, confounding observers with its unconventional behavior. As the scientific community rallied to investigate these interstellar visitors, questions abounded. What secrets did they hold within their enigmatic forms? From whence did they originate, and what journeys had they undertaken across the vast expanse of space? With the arrival of each new cosmic traveler, the anticipation grew, fueling the collective quest for knowledge among scientists and astronomers alike. The first of these visitors, christened Hawaii, hailed from Vega, also known as the future North Star, a mere 25 light-years distant from Earth. Vega's recent discovery of an asteroid belt hinted at the possibility of extraterrestrial planets, including the intriguing Oumuamua. This cosmic wanderer, propelled by inexplicable forces, defied easy classification, prompting speculation of an artificial origin. As Oumuamua departed our solar system at breakneck speed, leaving baffled scientists in its wake, another visitor, Borisov 1, offered a more familiar yet equally perplexing composition, an interstellar comet composed of water, dust, and carbon dioxide. Yet, amidst the intrigue, questions lingered. Could these enigmatic travelers be emissaries of advanced civilizations? Or are they simply cosmic wanderers shaped by the whims of interstellar chaos? As we ponder these cosmic riddles, one thing remains clear. The universe holds secrets beyond our wildest imaginings, waiting to be uncovered by intrepid explorers of the cosmos. If you found this journey through the cosmos enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to spread the wonder of the universe. And remember to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our cosmic adventures. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, keep gazing at the stars.